Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Space City Cannabis. Welcome back to another unboxing. But before we get started, go ahead and drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So once again, guys, we got YOCAN Black back on the channel. This is going to be the PHASER Ace 2. This is going to be something that I would consider competition to the PUFFCO Pivot. So let's go ahead and take a look at the box here. We got the PHASER Ace 2, high-powered. Turning it around, we can go ahead and see some of the specs, some of the features. Feel free to pause the video and take a look at it if you'd like. Now let's go ahead and take this plastic off. And let's see what's all included in the box. So this is going to be like a nice sleeve. You guys can see the case right here. This just comes right off. Put that to the side. YOCAN Black embossed on this box. Nothing else on it, just a plain box. Let's go ahead and take the top off. As soon as you open it, you're going to go ahead and see your owner's manual. It said add pearls and concentrate. I'm probably just going to add one pearl. Then you think you're going to go over here, but no, you go down 5 clicks, powers on. Of course, minus plus to change temperature. Of course, you hit the power and that, and it'll change your duration, so your sesh timer. Click it twice to activate. Wait. Once it vibrates, it lets you know that it's good to go. Click it 3 times, and you enter the menu. Guys, feel free to use code SPACECITY. Code SPACECITY will save you 30% off at yocanblack.com. They also give you a nice little pamphlet to verify your device is legit. Go ahead and scratch it. Go ahead and zoom in right there. There you go. Pretty cool. Looking at the actual device here. Pretty neat. We have a nice little tether device right here. So we can go ahead and pull it out of the box. We have the actual device right here, which feels pretty sturdy, pretty hefty. It's got a nice quality feel to it. Very similar to the PHASER, the Max PHASER. I don't know if you guys have ever tried that one, the one that kind of looks like a little pew pew. Very similar feel to that. Underneath that, we have this little accessory bundle right here. Go ahead and pull that out. This is a nice like styrofoam padded material. Or no, this is cardboard. But this is a nice styrofoam padded material right here that goes all the way to the back. Go ahead and insert that back in there. Now let's see what else is included. Got a nice little accessory bundle. This is going to include the charger, USB-C, of course, as well as a couple of Q-tips to clean out your dabs, and a dab tool. Pretty cool. So you get all of that included in the device, and it looks like they also included some terp pearls. That is awesome. So I've been noticing that every device that YOCAN sends out comes with a few terp pearls. So we're going to go ahead and drop one of these into the YOCAN PHASER 2. PHASER Ace 2, I'm sorry. Let's go ahead and take this plastic off. And let's give the unit a nice little once over. Charging port right there. This illuminates once it turns on. It's got a really nice grip to it. Nice heft to it. Small OLED screen. It's got a nice little viewing port. There goes your atomizer. And I wonder if this just comes off. Okay, that just slips off real easy. Interesting. Then just plops right back in there. Let's go ahead and turn it on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And nothing happened. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Guess I just have to do it a little bit quicker. We have our temp. Let's see what it's set at. Our set timer is set to 45 seconds. Temp is set at a whopping 530 stock. So let's go ahead and drop that down just a bit. We're not trying to scorch our dab here. Let's go ahead and run a nice cool 450. 450. Now we're going to do an initial burn off. Just get rid of whatever is coming straight out of the factory. We're going to go ahead and do a nice little burn off, as well as wiping down the atomizer with one of these Q-tips. Now, you don't have to do this. This is just what I'm going to do. I do recommend doing an initial burn off, though. That is just recommended with any device. All right. We have our sesh timer going. Counting down. Hits left until the battery is depleted. It says 13. So at least we'll be able to run one hit in this thing. Let me go ahead and put all this other stuff away. While it's doing that, and then we can go ahead and grab some of this rosin we got in the background and take a nice little dab, guys. YOCAN Black was also kind enough to send out one of their jaws. It says done once it's finished. They sent out one of their jaws, which is really dope. These things have been on back order. It's a nice little hot knife. And on the back, it has a temperature reader. Infrared. Let's go ahead and open this up. Let's grab one of our terp pearls. It says to add 2, but I'm just going to go ahead and add 1. Grab one of these little buggers. Now I wanted to see how the airflow was. You see we got 1 terp pearl in there. Let's close it up. See the little air pocket right there? You guys hear that thing spinning? Let's do it one more time. Hopefully the mic is picking that up. Did y'all see that spinning? Sheesh. This thing spins pearls, guys. All right, let's go ahead and grab some of our rosin over here. We've got our crisp rosin, but you know I'm a sucker for this only hash. So let's go ahead and load up some of this golden banana. If you guys are interested in picking some of this up, make sure you guys hit me up on IG at Official Space City. Or if you're in the Discord, feel free to reach out to me there. There's some very nice looking rosin here. Banana and the terps are crazy on this one. Go ahead and grab just a nice little sliver. Don't want to overload the little device, even though this might be just a tad bit big for it. Let me go ahead and press the button. Rosin slides right off. Nice screen on the hot knife as well on the jaws. We have it set to 450. Let's go ahead and close this bad boy up. See if we can see that there. All right, let's double click. Telling us to wait. $12 hits left. All right, should be finishing up now. We see the smoke starting to come out. And at this point in time, I think you're good to go ahead and hit it. There it goes, hit. Now you want to hit it lightly. Don't hit it super hard. Oh man, this thing rips. One thing I noticed immediately, you have to take nice, slow draws from it. Otherwise, you will get some splashing up here. Make sure you hold it upright as well. Don't tilt it. But man, this thing rips, guys. As you guys can see right there. The other thing could have been that it was a little bit loaded up too much. We're going to go ahead and double click it again. And we're going to run it right back, guys. But there you have it. The PHASER Ace 2. A nice portable handheld device. Pretty cool atomizer. I wish it was a bit deeper. Let's go ahead and hit it again. Oh yeah, very nice little device. Now, a few of the drawbacks that I am noticing is the rosin splashing up on this viewing port and then it makes its way out here. That could be because it was overloaded. It could be just because of the design. Maybe that turt pearl is a little bit too big for it. I would recommend a 3mm turt pearl. I believe this one is a 4mm. So we can see the few differences there. So we got this nice little tiny turt pearl down here that we might be able to swap it out with. This is going to be your nice 3mm pearl as opposed to your 4mm. You guys can see the difference there. But overall, pretty neat device, very affordable price point. If you guys are starting to get into rosin, trying out different concentrates, things like that, do check out these devices. There is a plethora of devices. There's the Cartas, the PUFFCOs, the Dr. Dabbers. Just do your research and find out what works out for you. These videos are just simply to show you guys what comes in the box, how to operate the device, and just an overall outline of what I think of the device. But with all that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next unboxing. And thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.